Now picture this. For every time you need to buy something or you need something, you'd have to exchange something to get something. Before cash, other forms of exchange was anything agreed upon by a large number of the population or say people in power. Now, if we all agree that this is going to be the sign for cutting people off, it is actually sharp enough to cut somebody. Now, gold, which is actually just metal, and your fiat, which is your currency, is actually just paper. Now, Bitcoin is a form of exchange which is digital, but it is not centralized, meaning it is not in control by the government or any sector or any firm. This is giving power of currency to the population. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. So this is a 2-minute series I created to talk about other things aside phones and laptops and the rest, all surrounding tech, and this series is called ideyfindmoney. In today's video, we'll be talking about cryptocurrency, the difference between Bitcoin token and altcoins, and the previous video was about the blockchain technology, which you can watch somewhere here. Cryptocurrency is a form of exchange built on the blockchain technology, and the blockchain, being the first truly decentralized network, provided financial security and control to anyone interested in using it. More people started using it, and high demand equals rise in value. And this is why before you invest in any blockchain asset, you should always go to the coin market cap and check for the demand and supply. Now let's back up a bit. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, and on that open source code, other cryptocurrency were built upon, and these are called altcoin. Actually, not all altcoins are really altcoin, but because they came after Bitcoin, so it's okay for everybody to call it an altcoin. For example, Ethereum and a few other cryptocurrencies are built on their own blockchain network, providing different services and solving different problems. Now, the difference between a token and a coin is that a token is built on the blockchain of an altcoin, meaning you can only use this particular token inside the ecosystem of that coin it is built on. Say for example, the Binance Smart Chain. This is mostly preferred by a lot of programmers for a lot of reasons. Now, what all of this translates to is if you buy a token on the Binance Smart Chain, you can only exchange that to BNB, which is Binance's own coin. In summary, unlike any other form of exchange, cryptocurrency is the most transparent and most secured form of exchange with little fee and a lot of security and privacy. If there's anything you don't understand, I'd like to answer in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? Kindly hit the like button so others can find this video, and thank you for sticking with me for more than 2 minutes. This is a lot more than 2 minutes, but still, thank you. Subscribe for more. This is Tech Mayor. I'll see you in the next one. Microphone check.